How to create an account on Scratch. Hello, welcome to the video of Rato ADCC. In this video we're going to learn how to create an account on Scratch. For this purpose we go to the website scratch.mit.edu. We click on the button Join Scratch. We create a username. Then we create our password. We click Next. We need to select our country. We click Next. We select the month and year of our birth. We click Next. We choose our gender. We click Next. We write our email address. It may be Gmail, Outlook, etc. We click Create your account. We are logged into our email account. Gmail is opened in a new tab. The email might be in the spam folder. Let's click on the button Confirm my account. The account is created. I hope you like this video. For more videos about Scratch and other programs, check our channel. Thanks for watching.